Alrighty, we're at the Concourse A, B, and C junction at MSP Airport Terminal 1. Let's check out these cool elevators right here. These are Schindler / MEI. Let me switch hands because it's really shaky in bed with this hand. There we go. These feature Innovation's big buttons, which I've never seen anywhere else. And we're getting this one. These are really cool. Apologies to this sort of crappy filming, I'm trying to hold a bag. Alrighty.
Tram to gate 1 for C19, gates D, E, F, and G. Tram to baggage claim, going down.
These are cool. These replaced other elevators, probably original Schindlers. What's easy as on this set. Here are T. Nice. Let's go up to 2. I don't want to go to 3. I love that COP.
Going up.
There are 2. It opens on this side. Nice. Let's go back down to T one more time.
Floor 2, gates C20 through C27, going down.
Here's your COP, 4,400 pound capacity, Innovation big buttons. I think these are PB64. ADA phone. It's just your basic elevator, but these are nice. I believe MEI had something to do with these. And let's see if we can't ride the other one down here real quick. Look at it's down here. Look at that low oil thing. There goes that one. Why did it not go up? Oh, there it goes. That was weird. Here's this one. Again, sorry for the shakes. See, these are Schindler / MEI. Let's get the indicator. Ooh, hit the back. There we go. And these have nice motors. This one doesn't talk for some reason. Let's go end it on T. Very, very cool elevators. I really like these buttons. Look, I mean, look how big the COP is. That's just insane. Here are T. We can ring the bell, I guess. Alrighty, there it goes, and that'll be it.